Had a heck of a time with this one, guys. I think I worked it all out though. It's a DSC-6421. Not 64cc anymore. It's got the 7980cc top end on it now. Whoever's been following this, I appreciate it. It's been a pretty long journey. Had the big bore kit on it, and it was a used big bore kit. I thought it was going to be salvageable, but it ended up not being salvageable. There was some chipping going on in the exhaust side. I still may use it for something. A couple people are trying to talk me into maybe just raising the roof and covering, you know, like getting rid of some of that chipping. You know, the roof would be in the 90s at that point. So, I don't know. Well, I guess we failed, didn't we? Try it again. I said, camera fell. I guess the exhaust roof would be in the 90s. I'm thinking mid 90s, but the guy I was talking to said he don't think so. It'll be high 90s, so which would probably be okay. It'd be a screamer, wouldn't it? Anyway, I just got done putting this back together. I got the 7910 top end on it instead. So the bad thing is the decomp isn't here. It's over here on top, and I plugged it up. So, you know, it's probably better off anyway, because this is an OEM cylinder and everything. So anyway, junk pile build right here, buddy. We got him for junk and got him put together, and I have a feeling it's going to be pretty strong. I grinded on a little bit, but not much. Just kind of smooth some things out. And I'm no like porter by any means. I just, you know, kind of go real conservative. If I ever grind on something, I just got a little Harbor Freight grinder, and you know, all that, and you know, and some awesome friends that know how to do it that can coach me through stuff. So anyway, that's where we're at. And so I didn't do much. I think the exhaust roof ended up being like 103, 104, and the intake was 80 degrees. God, I can't remember where I landed on the upper transfers. They were maybe, I'd hate to misquote you on it. They started out like 140 degrees or something stupid. So, but anyway, it probably has like 25 degrees of blowdown right in there, which is probably a little bit less than what these like, but I couldn't do much, you know. But anyway, squish is like 22. So, you know, it's got some compression, pretty decent compression. This will be the second time I started it. You know, I didn't want to make a fool of myself and it not start. So I don't know how all you other guys do it. Only thing I'm missing, I need the screw right here that goes through here. And I got the little cover plate too. But anyway, let's start this thing up. Should start right up. I got the idle set real low on it. Have him cam out. Where'd I put my screwdriver? Give him a turn in, one good turn in. I can find it. Come on, there it is. Let's see what happens there. Choke in? Yeah. I try to get that idle real low. Thanks for watching, y'all.